So a common thing I hear around in Gentoo is that encrypting your hard drive with LUKS is too hard and doesn't work in Gentoo. Let's put that to the test today and see if we can install it. So first thing we need to do is set up our hard drive space with the partitioning. We're using the GPT. 1 gig for EFI, the rest of the space for everything else. It's important to change the type of the EFI to the EFI system partition type. Job done. Make the file systems. So now we need to set up or format the second partition for LUKS. That's easily done with a crypt setup, LUKS, capital F format, and then the partition we want to write over, which is SDA2 in our case. We type yes with capitals, and then we put in a password for unlocking, which is obviously going to be sub to Immolo. We then open up our encrypted drive. And we put that to the root. So the figure we type in, well, the value we type in here becomes where it mounts. So it'll become /dev mapper.
Vegeta, did you hear that?
/root. Type in our password, sub to Immolo, and then we can make our file system here. So it's just, we'll use XFS today because I like XFS. And we pick mapper.
Shut the hell up, Napa! And you might survive!
Root. Then it's a case of just installing Gentoo normally all the way up till we get to the kernel stage. So let's quickly do that. Okay, and we're ready to start. So, first thing we need to do is make a dracut folder. We make the parents /etc dracut .config .d. Quickly add the hook into here, so add _ dracut modules plus equals quote space crypt space. All looking good. Open a new tab. We now need to grab the UUID, so we just do that with ls block name UUID, and we need the root UUID just here. And we add that with kernel _ command line plus equals root equals UUID equals, paste that in there, and then we tell it which partition we need to unlock. So RD loop UUID equals And we close that down. Let's quickly set up the use flags for this. So nano /etc portage package .use install kernel. And we need to set grub and dracut here. Okay, then we can install the kernel. Perfect, let's let that run.
Down at the corner cafe, folks were in a bind and installing Gentoo Linux, losing their minds. Encrypted root, they said, ain't no way it's done. Till good old Immolo walked in for some fun. Told him, grab your coffee, settle in real tight. I'll show you the way, we'll be done by night. It ain't no magic, just follow step by step. You'll see Gentoo's joy with each and every prep. Immolo saved the day with a smile and a wink. Gentoo on an encrypted route, quicker than you think. Drop the jaws of everyone, make tech trouble small. When Immolo's around, there's no problem at all. Hands on the keyboard, configs to be tweaked. Each line of code made the process feel less bleak. Partition here, encrypted there, don't forget to mount. Compile the kernel, Immolo said, let's keep the count. Day turned to night, but spirits didn't droop, laughing at the troubles like kids in the loop. By the time the sun set, Gentoo was in place, encrypted and all with a grin on every face. Immolo saved the day with a smile and a wink. Gentoo on an encrypted route, quicker than you think. Drop the jaws of everyone, made tech trouble small. When Immolo's around, there's no problem at all.
And everything's installed. So now we just install grub with grub install. Grub install EFI directory equals /boot. Done. Set a root password. Like this video, please. And any other tweaks that you want to run on your system. Okay, and that should all be it to it. So, we exit, reboot, and there we go. Looks like we are booting. Let's type in our password, sub to Immolo. And there we go. We have installed Gentoo Linux in a LUKS encrypted partition. Easy, innit? Anyway guys, keep compiling. I'll see you next time. I make funny Gentoo videos while also teaching you how to use it properly. If you want to help support me, then visit my Patreon at patreon.com/Immolo157. If not, just like and subscribe please, as it really helps with the algorithm.